You did the one you did a while ago. Eee. That's your teeth na. It's very big. Eee. What are you eating?
Orange.
Is that your favorite? What? Eee. You're foolish. Yeah. Oh, you eat na the other orange. There's no orange na on that one eh. Oh, sige na. There's none na oh. Eh. Does it taste good? It's asim?
No.
It tastes good?
Yeah. No. Mommy.
Oh, here's your tissue. You wipe it.
Ah!
Oh no.
That mommy.
Mm.
Mommy.
Mm.
Look at this.
You get another one. This one, oh. This is okay. You ate a lot naman na. You ubos it already. Is it asim?
No.
I thought it's asim. Is that your favorite?
Hmm?
Mm. Ang lagkit? Who said that to you?
Me.
Ah, where did you hear that? Ang lagkit? From daddy?
No.
Who?
From the orange.
Nye. You wipe your hands.
I will get
Eh.
that mommy.
What?
I'm spinning.
Ano, I'm spinning.
No, I'm spinning around.
You're turning around?
Yes.
What you mean is you're shaking.
Mm.
Ah.
Mommy, I'm shaky.
Why are you
Because
shaking?
I'm cold.
Ah, you're cold. You have sweater on naman. Eh.
My arm.
Mm-mm.
My hand.
Yes. You sit down na, Dad will get mad at you. Diba? When you're eating, you're supposed to sit down. Right?
Yucky. Put.
Who has yucky put-puts?
Me.
Huh?
Where's the cover?
Cover of what?
This of this.
Never mind.
Where's the cover?
You don't need it. Bye, Lisha.